They say that absence makes the heart grow fonder, and that couldn't be more true for the Yeezy 500 Utility Black. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are doing well. It is the end of Black Friday and we are approaching Cyber Monday. So we gotta look forward to the Yeezy 500 Utility Black. Now in today's video, I'm gonna give you everything you need to know to grab this pair on that Monday release day. We're gonna go over everything about this release, of course, resale price included, where to grab these shoes come release day, and of course, we're gonna get into some of that Yeezy 350 Bred news as well. So these originally released back in 2018, and goddamn, I remember grabbing myself a pair. This was a shoe that nobody really wanted. It wasn't a popular Yeezy. It was just kind of one that sat around. It was going for well under retail, and I guess it was kind of a testament into anybody who's reselling shoes. You know, if you hold on to a pair of shoes for a long time, you're gonna make a decent amount of money, because let me tell you, before the rumor went around that these were going to restock, these were going for a huge amount of money. And of course, we'll head over to StockX in a little bit, but first let's get into how to grab this pair. For anybody who didn't grab them back in 2018 or has just never had a pair of Yeezy 500s, this is definitely a really solid pair of shoes to grab on Cyber Monday. These retail for £170 here in the UK or $200 out in the US. And again, like I said, these release on Cyber Monday, which is the 30th of November. So there is a pretty substantial amount of places to get these, which kind of indicate higher stock numbers, but at the end of the day, we're just gonna have to wait for release date to actually see what happens. But if you do want this pair, I definitely suggest going for as many raffles and places to grab them as possible. So like always, your best two places to go is gonna be Yeezysupply and Adidas. This is the place that's gonna have the most amount of stock and probably give you the best chance to grab yourself a pair. Yeezysupply, as we all know by now, is US exclusive and it is a waiting room. So anybody out in the US, get prepared. Adidas is worldwide, as we know. Now in the US, it is the Adidas Confirmed app, I believe. So make sure you go and download that, or make sure you just go and enter that. And of course, everywhere else, it is just the regular old Adidas app Raffle. You basically say participate now, you enter up your size, enter all of your details, you're good to go. It will draw on release date around sometime in the morning, and it will notify you whether you won or you didn't win. So those are two really good places to make sure that you're entered up and make sure that you are ready for those two locations. However, there's plenty of other raffles that I definitely think are worth going for. Again, this pair of shoes is at every kind of normal raffle place, so EndClothing, Foot Patrol, JD, all of the kind of normal raffle places that you would know. But of course, like always, I've chucked all of the raffle places I could find down in the description below. But definitely suggest having a look at that. Make sure you're entered up and get prepared, because time is ticking. Let's talk about the resale price. So let's head over to StockX and let's see how these are performing on the secondary market. Right, so we're over here on StockX, and before we even get into the prices and stuff like that, I want to show you one of the craziest things, and that is the graph. Okay, so have a look over here down when it released back in July. We're looking at £180. This is kind of the average, so that's pretty much going for around about retail. If you sell it, you're probably not even making your money back. Now look how this escalates. It keeps going up and up and up and up, all the way to when you get to right before the restock was announced around August, September. You're looking at $420 on average. That is super high. And then look at this right in November at the beginning, boom, it plummets down to $270. So these are still reselling for a decent amount considering that there is a restock coming. So let's have a look at some of those prices. So if we go to the buy now prices, this is what people are offering to sell their pairs at. Again, for some of the smaller sizes, you're looking at anywhere between 400 and 300 pounds. So if we look at the sell now prices, you had the shoe in hand right now, you could sell it for, particularly those small sizes, going for 345, 360, 323. It's a decent amount of money. Of course, because a lot of resellers are going to be going for this, you definitely do not want to sleep, okay? For anybody who wants this to actually wear, I definitely do. I want to grab this pair. I let mine go back in the day, so I'm definitely after grabbing a pair. So definitely a shoe that not only a lot of people seem to want now, but also a pair that a lot of people are going to try and resell. So don't sleep, going into those raffles, and hurry the hell up because time is ticking. And that brings us to the next kind of restock, or the next Yeezy that's coming back from the past, and that is the Yeezy 350 in the Bred colorway. Alright, so yes, you probably already know and have heard, because this is kind of like the restock that has got the sneaker game in a bit of a craze right now. Now this is a shoe that originally released all the way back in 2017, so this one is really coming back. This is like probably one of the most known Yeezy 350s. Like, it just seems to be like quite an iconic pair of 350s. I know it's quite a young brand, but in the grand scheme of things, this is the one that a lot of people wanted and still really want. So now hearing that it's going to restock, it's a pretty big deal. Now, as of right now, there's not too much details going around in terms of like no raffles are up or no confirmed places that this is going to release. However, we've got some pretty insane rumors, so just stay seated because this one's pretty crazy. Apparently, there's going to be 500,000+ pairs of these that are going to restock. Now, again, take this with a grain of salt because that isn't confirmed. However, I mean, a lot of people are saying it, and again, when it comes to Yeezys, it would not surprise me one little bit if they did do that. Even if they do restock 500,000+ pairs, it's still, just do not think that it's going to be a walk in the park because the demand for this is extremely high. Of course, you're going to have every single reseller going for these because right now they're still reselling for a pretty high amount. The release date on these is December the 5th, and of course, later on in the week before the release date, I will make sure that I give you any relevant information. I'll probably make a video on it, probably do a little release reminder on that pair. So again, if you want to stay up on that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel because I'll do another video closer to the time. But either way, let's hop over to StockX. Let's see how these Breds are doing on the resale market. So if we look at the graph, again, back in 2017, these were going, I mean, they were straight away a winning pair of shoes. Looking at on average in terms of pounds, anywhere from 600 to 700 pounds. Look at that little plummet. Right around October, boom, they went from 600 down to 394. Now that's just by the graph. If we actually go up and look at the sales, or what they're going for right now, you've got a 700, you've got a 400, so it's a little bit volatile. Again, there's probably not that many pairs out available right now. All right, so some of the sell now prices are all the way down at $300. I think pretty much all of them 300, 350. Which is pretty damn low considering. But of course, people are not gonna fork out the money. They're not gonna pay £700-800 for a pair of shoes that they know they may have a chance to get at retail in the next couple days. That is just some of the information on both of those shoes that I have right now. Of course, go and enter as many raffles as you can for those 500s. The 350s, I will update you further down the line as soon as we start getting raffle information and different information on confirmed stock numbers. I'll be bringing that to the table. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, but that pretty much wraps it up, guys. Thank you so much for coming through. Good luck, everyone. Send some good luck my way because I really do want these 500s. I will catch you all in the next one. Thank you for coming through, hanging out with me. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you in the next one, but until then.